Good evening, everyone. So, welcome back to the new lab session of Excel. So, in this lab, we'll see a shortcut key that will help you to know the current date. So, in my previous video, you have already seen that using today function, we can get that. But Excel has also provided one shortcut key to get the current date. Okay, so in this lab, we'll see here that suppose if you want to display here, let's say current date. So, current date. Okay, now in this cell, suppose if you want to display the current date, so for that we use a shortcut key that is control and semicolon. Okay, so if I show you the keyboard image, so here you can choose the control button plus this semicolon button. Okay, so the moment I press here control and semicolon, you see here current date is displayed. You see today is 1st of December 2022. So use this shortcut key, that is, if I write here, let's say shortcut key is control plus semicolon. Okay, so you see this screen also, that is control and semicolon you have to press. So practice it, and if you have any doubt, you can write something, or if you have any doubt, so you can write me in the comment section. Okay, so thank you very much.